Hey Corey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Anna said to send this over to you. My name is John Kirkpatrick, owner of To The Top Marketing up here in Burleson, Texas, just south of Fort Worth. And I want to jump right into this video and not waste any of your time. The reason I make these videos is that I find it's the easiest way to get people to reach out to me or move forward with something is because I show them in this video everything that I would do to rank their business. And if they want to do it themselves, they are more than welcome to. If you have the time and you want to, by all means, take this information, run with it, implement it, and you will start growing your business. But if you need help with anything or you'd like more information, just reach out to me and I'd be happy to put the plan together for you. So I want to go over 3 quick things in this video. That's content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is just everything on this page, your home page or any of your back page that can be highlighted, from your text down to your pictures, even down to what your pictures are saved as. So if you right click on an image and tell it to save as, this says home about image. That kind of just tells you where that you're going to place it when you're putting your site together, but it doesn't help you get found. Google actually crawls these pictures and they can see what they're saved as. So I would go through and save your pictures as HVAC Austin, Texas, or AC Repair Austin, something of that nature. That'll help you get found. Google also likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, and it definitely looks like you're way short of that number. Basically, your only text is right here in these 2 sections and then the About Us section. So I do like what you did here though. HVAC contractor in Austin. You have a keyword in your heading and then you put it down here again, HVAC contractors in Austin. I would just say do your keyword research and make sure that that is something that people are actually searching for and not just HVAC Austin, Texas. Make sure they're actually searching for HVAC contractors. To show you what I mean here, this is Precision Heating and Air. They're one of your biggest competitors. Trusted HVAC technicians in Austin, so they've got HVAC in Austin just like you do, and they've got some text underneath it. They've got location pages, they've got another heading and more text, they've got some reviews, and then they have even more text down here. So they just have a ton of content. The more content, the better. When it comes to Google ranking you, content really is king. You need to have more than your competitors. And then let's talk about citations. Now when you search HVAC Austin, Texas here, you've got 3 different sections. You've got your ads up here at the top where people pay every single time somebody clicks one of these. And then you have your map pack section or your Google My Business section right here. And then you've got your organic results underneath it. So my tips for you and the thing that you need to do to get listed up here, there's a couple of different things you can do. Reviews are always important, but as you can see, this company has 350 and this company has 1.3 thousand, and they're still beating them. So reviews aren't the be-all end-all. The most important thing you can do to get listed in this section is to go out and get as many citations as you possibly can. Now, a citation is just your business name, business address, and business phone number listed throughout different directories on the web like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, things of that nature. There's literally thousands of them out there. Even your Facebook page counts. Just anywhere you can get your name, address, phone number listed throughout the web, it will definitely help you rise in these rankings. Also, a thing that will help you is take pictures of every single job site you're on with your phone. When you do that, that picture is embedded with the geo coordinates of where you were when you took the picture. Take that picture from your phone and upload it to your Google My Business. That will help you get found. That'll actually drop a pin on the map, so Google will say, oh, he did something in South Austin, and then he did something in Manor, and then he did something in Elgin, and then he did something in Pflugerville. That will help you get found posting those pictures taken from a phone, because it shows them that you have a wide service range and it shows them that it's a real picture. It's hard to fake those images. So those are my tips for your Google My Business, the citations and pictures. Lastly, I want to go over backlinks. So this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. This tool is about $150 to $200 a month depending on what plan you get, but I highly recommend getting this if you're going to do any of this yourself. This just kind of shows you where your backlinks are coming from, how your site is performing, and it also allows you to do a bunch of competitor research. So you've got 728 backlinks coming from 113 different referring domains or just different websites. You're getting found for 313 organic search terms and keywords, and it's driving 177 people a month to your website. Now in comparison, if we go over here and look at Precision Heat and AC, they've got over 4,000 backlinks coming from 1.13 thousand referring domains. They've got over 2,000 organic keywords they're being found for, and that's driving almost 2,000 people a month to their website. So to beat them, I would say the easiest way is to come in here and click on referring domains. They've obviously paid a marketing company to be listed at the top of Austin, so they've already done their research. Just go out and get every single one of these links that they have. So if they're listed in a directory, you want it. Any link that they have, you go out and get it yourself, and then just get a little more than they do. So if they have 1.13, just go and get 1.2. That'll help you beat them. And also, this tool allows you to do keyword research. So you can click on these organic keywords, and it'll show you everything that they're getting ranked for. And make sure you go out and put that on your site when you're adding content, like AC Repair Austin or HVAC Austin, or if you want to target some different cities, that would be really smart too. It looks like you're just targeting Austin. It's a very hard market. Go out and build out some back pages for your different cities. So Pflugerville, Cedar Park, find where there's search volume in those cities, and then build out a page and put a bunch of keywords on that page for Pflugerville HVAC or Pflugerville AC Repair, things of that nature. So that's about all I had for you. We talked about your backlinks here, and then we talked about your citations and getting your Google My Business to rank, and then we had definitely talked about your content. So if you do those three things, it'll definitely help you start climbing in the rankings. I hope you found this informative. That's about all I have for you in this short video. If you have any more questions, just reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer any questions that I can. And if you want me to put together a plan for you, just kind of showing you what this would take and what it would cost, I'll be happy to put that together for you. So thank you so much, Corey, for taking the time to watch this. You have a blessed day.